Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to easily create a table of content in Google Docs, perfect for reports, assignment or ebooks. First of all, simply open your document. I'll simply open from Google Chrome. After opening Google Doc, if you are not signed in, please make sure you have signed in and simply open your document. As you can see, this is my documents. This is my document. I need a table of content. Now apply heading styles. As you can see, I have already applied the heading styles. Then go to the toolbar and select heading 1, heading 2 or others label from the style drop down menu. Now step 2 is to insert the table of content. To insert the table of content, simply place the cursor where you want the table of content. Suppose I need here at the top of the page. Now simply go to the insert. As you can see here top, there is the option called insert. Simply click it and scrolling below you will see the option called page element. Simply click it and there is the option called table of contents. Simply over it. Then you can use any. You can choose either blue links or plain text with numbers. You can also use dotted or any you prefer. Suppose I like dotted, so I am applying dotted one. As you can see, now your table of content is now applied, and that's how to make a table of content in Google Docs. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with your next tutorial request, and I'll see you in the next one.